In front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable automatic text correction on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Over here you need to select additional settings, then click on keyboards and input methods and go into Keyboard. Following that, tap on text correction, scroll down a bit and click on this filter next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled. You can always enable it by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!